Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to process large files and make scanned PDF into a searchable text using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample large file and turn this scanned PDF document into a searchable one. So, let's getting started. First, log into your Zapier account and click the Create Zap button. Next, search the Google Drive app and choose the New File in Folder to trigger when there's a new file added in a folder. Now, let's connect the Google Drive account to Zapier. Let's set up the trigger. Select My Google Drive for the drive to be used. And select the specific folder where the file is located. Now, let's test the trigger to fetch the file from Google Drive folder. The test trigger was successful and found the folder contains our file. Let's move on to the next step and make the scanned PDF into a text searchable. Search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the custom API call so we can add the PDF make searchable endpoint. Now, connect your PDF.co account by adding the API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the custom API call. For the PDF.co API endpoint field, select the PDF make searchable endpoint to turn the scanned PDF into a text searchable one. For the URL input parameter override field, select the web content link from Google Drive. For the input JSON field, let's add the parameters. Make sure to set async to true to run job asynchronously. Then click the Test Action button. The test was successful and return the job ID. We will now add the delay module to pause action into a certain amount of time. Next, choose the delay for option to wait a set amount of time before completing your actions. Now, let's set the delay time to wait for 1 minute. You can also add more minutes as you like. Then test the delay action. The delay scheduler ran successfully. We can now add another app and check the job ID. Let's add another app and select PDF.co. And choose the custom API call. Let's set up the action. For the PDF.co API endpoint field, select the job check endpoint so we can check the result of the async job we've created on the very first step. For the input JSON, let's insert the job ID parameter link. And enable Run as Async Job switch. This will auto-repeat a call for job/check if job returned false. After setting up the configuration, click the test action to see the result. We successfully processed the large files using the PDF.co and Zapier. You may copy the URL and paste it into your browser to see the scanned PDF turn into a text searchable. Here's the scanned PDF document turn into a text searchable PDF. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.